Alright, I'm gonna do a little video here. I'm probably later than everybody else doing it, but I got this in yesterday, Friday, I think Friday, I don't know. Today's Saturday, so anyways, maybe I got it Thursday. I can't remember, I've been so busy, but Eagle Eye Shooting, the dude is awesome. Go check out his videos, his page. He's just the greatest guy. The people, if you go to the Reloaders Network, they're all just great people. I can't say enough about them. All of them. Reloaders, just good gun people, just good people. But ordered the shirt, Reloaders Network. I got that. There's the back of it. We the people, the reloadersnetwork.com. And this is the next level, so that's a next level, and that's a nice feeling shirt, real nice, real soft. But I only ordered one shirt, and like what everybody else, I mean, I ended up getting two shirts, so that's, you know, the logo on this one's a little bit bigger, maybe slightly bolder, but the Reloaders Network. This is a Hanes beefy tee. There's the back of it. So Eagle Eye Shooting, thank you so much, man. You're awesome. I appreciate it, really do, really do. Just can't say enough good things about you. And other thing, I'm gonna start reloading for a new caliber. To this point, I've really only reloaded for rifles, you know, because I mean, to me, rifle ammo is more expensive, and just financially and time wise and just getting into it. I mean, I started with 300 Blackout, then I did 223, and I've reloaded tons of those, and then I've tinkered around with a few other things, that, you know, I got 7.5 Swiss, and I was tinkering around with that, but I'm not really quite ready to put a video or do much on that yet. But I ordered some stuff from Cabela's, and let me break it out here. Take a drink of coffee. Sorry, I don't have a fancy coffee mug, but here's the dies I got. It's the Lee, the 4-pistol deluxe, 38 special, and 357. And I've done this for years, and I don't know, you know, people, I mean, it's just whatever, but it's just what I've done. I've had a Cabela's Visa card, I don't know, for like 15, 16 years, maybe a couple more, for a long time. And, you know, you accumulate points on there, and in the past, I've usually let it get up to like $100 in points, and then I'll buy some ammo. That's what I did for years and years. That's kind of how I bought ammo. And now what I've been doing is, instead of buying ammo, I've been buying reloading supplies. And they used to send out like a $20 off of 100, or $20 off of 120, or $50 off of 500, different things like that, you know. And anytime I'd get one of those in the mail or whatever, and if I had enough points, I'd just go ahead and order something. But here lately, they haven't been doing that. They got bought out by Bass Pro, or they combine with Bass Pro, but usually at least once a month I'll get something on my email, and it'll have a 10% off plus free shipping. Because, you know, Cabela's, they don't really have the best prices on a lot of stuff. You can usually find it cheaper if you're just buying it straight up, you know. But with 10% off and using points, you get it at a cheap price, and you can get it for free. So that's kind of what I do, you know, from time to time. But this Lee Deluxe pistol set with the 10% off and free shipping, this is $46.79, so that's not too bad. And then I usually buy the Lee, the lock stud trimmers, but I saw this and it kind of caught my eye. The Lyman Easy Trim hand trimming system, and I don't really even know how much you have to trim handgun ammo. I've heard some people say the 940, 845 ACP, they don't even trim it or whatever, so I don't know, you know, but I just thought this was kind of interesting because it looks like a similar setup to the Lee lock stud deal, although you can put it on a drill, but it comes with a little trimming studs or whatever. It's a 38 special, 357, 44 Magnum, 9mm, 40 Smith & Wesson, and 45 ACP. So you get 6 calibers, and you get the little tools there to do it. And that was $23.38. So considering if you buy a Lee one, per caliber, $6 or $7. I mean, you're getting it for about half price, really, because that'd be, $45, $47 if you bought 6 of the Lee ones, roughly. So you're getting it about half the price. And then of course I've got a classic turret press. So I mean, I just stock up on these things. It just makes it so much easier. You get the dies in there. You just swap out the turret. I mean, and these aren't that much. These are 12 something. I got $11.69. So, I got 2 of them. Because it's just easier for me. And then the last thing I got was this Lyman flash hole uniforming tool. And like I said earlier, I've been messing around with some Swiss ammo, some of the GP11 brass cases. I've saved everything. I even before I started reloading years and years ago, I saved my brass because I thought, I wanted to get into it eventually, or, even if I didn't, I'd give it to somebody else. I just couldn't see wasting it because, it's a good resource, and something you can reuse or whatever. So, and I thought in my mind I would eventually get into reloading. So, I have been saving, 38 special brass for, a few years. And I don't know how many pieces are in here. I probably, there may be 200 or 300, pieces of brass in there. So I've got a good start. And I did get some bullets. Sorry, I got those out, but I don't know. I just got these. I figured that'd be a good start, good way to go, So I don't have a 357 Magnum. I really want one. I want one really bad, and I've been wanting one for years. I've got a couple of guns that shoot 38 special, and that's probably, since all the brass that I have is 38 special brass, I think that's what I'm going to go with for now. And maybe later, next 3 or 4 months, I'll see how things go. I might get a 357. I've been looking at them real hard for a while, and I just can't decide. I like Rugers. I like Rugers a lot. I like the SP101 a lot. I like the GP100 a lot. I like the Match Champion a lot. But I also like the Smith & Wesson, the 686 pluses. Are really nice, and they're not a whole lot more money, and you get 7 rounds instead of 6. And then they have the Performance Center Smith & Wessons, but they're up there around $900. They actually have 8 round 357s. So I don't know. I've been deciding. I was almost set on getting the Ruger, for a long time. And now I've kind of changed my mind. I'm thinking back about Smith & Wesson, so I don't know. But I'm going to get some sort of 357. Anybody's got any ideas, throw them in the comments. Any type of 357 revolver that you like, let me know. And definitely, if you're watching this video, check out Eagle Eye Shooting. The dude's awesome. Check out the Reloaders Network. Great people, great group of people, a lot of knowledge. They do stuff. There's people, that do casting and do all kind of. It blows my mind what people can do. And I don't know if I'll ever get to the level of some of them because they're pretty advanced as far as I'm concerned. But it's really interesting to see what they're doing, and even if you're just starting out, they can help you out a lot. If you get with a group of people that knows what they're doing, it can be a great help to you. So check that out. Loads of Bacon, he's the one that got that started, and He's a great guy. Check out his YouTube channel. But I'm getting pretty close to 300 subs, and I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I'll just leave this out there. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I've been thinking about it for a while. The last couple weeks. Since I joined the Reloaders Network, my subs have went up. I don't know. I was getting maybe about 5 or 6 subs a month, and in the last 2 months or months and a half, I've got like 15 or 20 subs. So I'm sure that has a lot to do. The Reloaders Network has a lot to do with that. And but I think I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm not sure what. I don't know if I want to give away some reloading equipment, or if I just want to do like gift cards. I'll probably do like maybe two things. Maybe two $50 gift cards, or maybe $50 worth of something, reloading equipment or whatever. I'm not sure. So I'll have a video on that hopefully coming up pretty soon, and try to do some sort of giveaway. But anyways, thanks for watching. This is just a quick video about going to start reloading 38 Special, and a shout out to Eagle Eye Shooting, and just the usual rambling. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're doing great. Have a good day.